What's up, YouTube? Hope y'all are. What's up, YouTube? Hope everybody having a good day. Coming at you the next day after. You feel me? We got this, bro. We got $100,000 ScatPack, bro. That's basically what it is, bro. Dude took the engine, 27,000 miles, rebuilt it, forged it out. You know what I'm saying? All that. 1,000 horsepower, 392. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's coming up. And that motherfucker sitting on 4Gs. God.
I pulled the motor out at 1,500 miles. Motor, transmission, billet control arms up under the back.
Oh my God.
1P drive shaft, axles.
Are you still running the HP 70 or what?
I got Hellcat.
Oh, you got the 80. You got the 80. Ooh. Bro, these bitches, bro. I seen it from way back there. I seen the intercooler and shit. I was like, damn, that's like an intercooler in there. And I was like, yeah.
I tore it all apart. Got long tubes, everything. Yeah. The only thing on here stock is mufflers.
Mufflers?
Kept stock mufflers on there.
This bitch. Still You got the race one where you can take it off and clean the inside. Yeah, I've been looking at getting that one over the high rim. I was looking at
that. They got two of them.
Yeah.
They got the short one and that's the tall one.
That's the tall
See how they
one.
notched the top?
Yeah.
Get that one in
they had to, yeah. Damn, I like this. Yeah, this Joker is cold, boy. Yeah, damn.
He told me I can't park up there, and he let
that
red one up there park.
Yeah, fuck that. That's bullshit. I ain't gonna lie. I think it's just about status and shit.
Nah, it's that buddy shit.
Yeah, that's what it is. Cause this bitch is cold, man. I don't give a fuck.
I appreciate it.
God damn.
That
Especially
stereo,
the
stereo, all that shit in it.
Damn, can I hear it? This hoe is clean. Let me do a quick walk around. Yeah. Got the 22s on there. This shit is clean, my boy. I just like it's just so clean, like that shit just. Yeah.
I'm about to change it.
I like that though. This is.
Aftermarket is all you really get.
Yeah, that's how mine is. I got a 5.7, but I'm trying to build it out. I was going to
My buddy got a 5.7.
You got a 5.7?
But he stroked it to a 392.
Yeah.
That bitch is nasty.
That thing running.
It's in the charge. It runs 590 days a month.
Yeah. Dang.
I read it.
Yeah. Go ahead, please. This is nasty. Hold on, I'm gonna go to the front. Do it again. Gee, that be nasty. This whole nasty, boy. Yeah, that can's starting to kick in now. That bitch starting to. That can's starting to thump now. Damn, this hoe is. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. How much pounds of boost you running?
Huh?
How many pounds of boost?
15 right now.
15?
But look, I can turn the motor up to 7,600 RPM. It shipped at 7,600.
So how much horsepower you putting down? Cause
you wouldn't believe it if I told you.
Tell me.
It's 950 right now.
950? I believe you. I believe you. Damn.
You know that's the biggest street blower you can get.
Yeah. God damn.
Picture of the dyno shit in here.
How you doing with the 22s? How they riding?
It rides good. Now, I got some videos on TikTok.
What's your TikTok?
Hellboy 19.
Hellboy 19. Y'all go ahead and follow. I'm gonna drop your thing in here too. Most definitely.
There's one we were drunk as hell.
Yeah.
But we spun the tires at 90 miles an hour. Damn. And then there's another one where I'm filming the dash, and you see it just. I was riding about 60 and it It shot the tires at about 110. So
Oh my God, you need some Mickey Thompsons on there, but then if you go Mickey Thompson, it'll bust the whole look. So yeah,
let's call it. I'm gonna get the custom made slicks.
I ain't gonna lie, yeah. The forges, you can't leave the forges. I ain't gonna lie, the forges look nice on here though.
Yeah, I'm putting custom slicks on there.
Yeah, slicks. So. Most definitely slicks.
Alright, dude.
They most definitely are. Damn, this is nice though. Oh my God, I ain't gonna lie, the forges with the slicks on it too. That'd be crazy, man. That'd look crazy.
They already look good from the factory. Just keep it simple.
Yeah.
So like I said, I got billet control arms on there, all that shit up under it.
Yeah, okay.
Drive shaft, brakes, axles.
Big ass Brembos.
You can see the long tubes up under there.
God damn. Yes, sir. That shit. Bro, this bitch is clean. Big ass Brembos. Yeah, I like this black on. I like the stainless steel lip with the brushed aluminum brush. Yeah, this is. You got how many? What adjusters?
16.
You on E85?
Oh,
you gotta be right.
I wouldn't take
you want to be here, right? Yeah,
I like that bitch right.
Yeah, I was hearing that. Oh yeah, is that the CT? That's a 5.
Yeah,
that's the black wing. Yeah, that bit nice. I ain't gonna lie. A lot of.
I wish I would have bought one of those. I was gonna get a Z06 first because you're too small.
Yeah.
I didn't know about those.
A lot of people been saying like
But I knew I could build one of these. So when I bought this, snatched the motor out.
Bro, this been crazy. No cap. I'm trying to have my shit like this. No cap, cause this bitch is nasty.
You gonna do it? You gonna put a blow on it? Start first, forge the bottom end.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Put rods and pistons in it.
Yeah, I already low-key fucked up because I put a cam in there, but I didn't do. I should have just did everything else when I did my cam and shit.
That's why I fucked up first.
Yeah.
Cause I didn't know much about these. I do a lot of old school race cars and shit I fucking with. But I didn't.
Yeah.
I'm about to change.
I like that though. Yeah, that's how mine is. I got a 5.7, but I'm trying to build it out. I was going motor swap. You got a 5.7? Yeah. That thing running.
It runs 590 next time.
Yeah. Dang. Yeah. Go ahead, please. This bit nasty. This is. Hold on, I'm gonna go to the front. Do it again. Jeez, that bit nasty. This whole nasty, boy. Yeah, that cam's starting to kick in now. That bitch starting to